안녕하세요. 유학제국의 우대표입니다. 오늘은 하와이 보딩스쿨 넘버 1 이올라니에 와서 학교 투어를 할 예정입니다. 지금 막 학교에 도착해서 이제 어드미션 디렉터를 기다리고 있습니다. 오늘도 이 하와이 학교 결정하시는데 도움이 되시길 바랍니다. 학교 담당자 기다리는 동안 주변을 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 주변에는 이렇게 높은 건물들이 있고요. 그리고 이렇게 주택가가 형성되어 있습니다. 주변이 되게 조용한 편이에요. 인테리어 공사 같은 그런 공사 작업을 하는 것 같은데 그 외에는 그냥 평화롭게 사람들이 강아지랑 같이 걷거나 그런 평화로운 분위기라고 생각하시면 됩니다. Is it okay you in the video?
Sure. Our school campus includes grades 7 to 12. So we don't have a middle school.
Okay.
Yeah, so we include middle school and high school in one campus.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now you're in the upper school campus.
Okay.
Yeah. So upper school campus is around 1,100 plus students. Yes. We're a big school.
It was bigger than I thought.
Yeah. But each class we have 16 students. Like each class, we keep the classroom small. Each grade around 250, 280 students each grade. Yeah. And our dorm is around, right now 70 students, but we can fit 100.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll try to take you down here. Is this your first time in Hawaii or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, what do you think so far?
I'm just visiting schools. So, I mean, like, I've been to Waikiki beach yesterday.
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
Yeah.
But this time, my focus is just, visiting schools. Yeah.
So I'll show you, we're going towards like the athletic area here.
Okay.
So I'll show you some of the spots. Okay, so I want to show you this one.
Okay.
Here. I want to show this to you here. So we have two gyms. Not only do we have our basketball games, volleyball games here, but we are a Christian school, as you may know. So we have big chapels like Easter Chapel, Christmas Chapel. It's done here with most of upper school. And I also like to show this area because you can see all the championships we won for every sport over the years. This is for state champions, and this is for ILH, which is the Independent School League of Hawaii.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Here is our Olympic-size swimming pool.
Okay.
We have course PE classes, has swimming classes. Students are allowed to, our dorm students are allowed to use the pool on the weekends with adult supervision, of course.
Okay.
They have to pass the swim test for us to allow them to go to the beach, because sometimes we do have events that allow people to go to the beach.
Okay.
Because, sometimes the sea is very dangerous. Over here is just the locker and changing room area. I'm just showing you this weight room. So we also have this weight room for our students to use on the weekends as well. Yeah. So this area is like the kind of athletic PE area. And then I'll show you our fields. And then I'll show you our STEM center, our new student center. And see where we have in terms of timing. Yeah. This is the Weinberg Building. Just one of our many buildings for classrooms and classes. This building is our usually for our upperclassmen, like grades 10 to 12. So there are classrooms around the second floor. Over here is one of the options they have for lunch. So there's 3 options for lunch: snack bar, cafeteria, and a food truck.
Okay.
Yeah. Our dorm students get $22 per day to spend on lunch.
Okay.
Yeah, so they can spend it in any of those 3 areas. We have spicy pork bowl, curry bowl, like very Asian flavored food. Yeah. And over here is one of our celebrated alumni. He is also famous football coach as well. Yeah.
So people come and shake? Yeah.
over here is our football field. So we're at city campus, but we have this big space, right? So here's our football field, track and field as well. It practices here. Nice coverage for our audiences. Over there is baseball, soccer field, and then past that is our tennis courts. We have 6. Yeah. So this is our college counseling office.
Oh, okay.
We have 7 college counselors, and when they reach their 11th grade year, they're assigned one of the college counselors. You can see in this little screen here is we often have school representatives, college representatives come on campus to recruit our students as well.
Okay.
Last year, over 120 came on campus to recruit our students. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the STEM Center. So our STEM Center has our robotics classes, our fabrication design classes, our computer design and digital design classes are all here, as well as some of the sciences as well.
Thank you.
So it looks like we have a class, but this is our fabrication design lab. So they have access to wood cutters and metal cutters as well.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna go upstairs. You can see like all the classes we have here. Yeah. We'll return to the right over here. So this is our 4th floor. It's kind of messy over here, but we have a sustainable garden on the balcony here. This is a kind of a free workspace, so sometimes they use this for classrooms or study hall, depending. Over here is the computer science room. Okay. And then over there is the digital design. So that would be like YouTube, video game design, digital design as well. Yeah. Over here is our research lab. Research zone in here. So it's this whole wing over here, and we have pretty high level equipment. So we do genome sequencing as well. More open spaces. We have what we call food sciences, but basically it's cooking class.
Okay.
Yeah. So they learn about nutrition and chemical reactions. Green bake. Oh, go ahead. Yeah. Hi, Jane. Hey. This is our robotics floor. So we have our robotics club here, as well as that they're taking as a course as well. We do compete nationally. Yeah.
이올라니 로보틱스 팀의 성과는 단순한 우승을 넘어섭니다. 2025년 캐나다 퍼시픽 리저널에서 로보틱스 분야 최고 권위의상인 퍼스트 임팩트 어워드를 무려 5년 연속 수상했습니다. 이 상은 로봇 성능뿐 아니라 스템 교육 확산과 지역사회에 미친 영향력까지 종합적으로 평가에 수여되는 로보틱스 분야의 명예의 전당과 같은 상입니다. 또한 2024년 퍼스트 로보틱스 컴피티션 월드 챔피언십에서는 전 세계 수천 개 팀 가운데 단 6팀만 선정되는 글로벌 임팩트 어워드 파이널리스트에 오르며 세계적인 로봇 강팀으로 자리매김했습니다.
Lab here. This room is our student news publication and yearbook room as well. Unfortunately, this room is closed again today, but we have an esports team, and this is where they train. So we have a really good setup in terms of computer gaming and stuff like that. Yeah. So our classes are around 55 minutes. So right now they have one class. Okay, we have plenty of time. We're good. Okay. On the left-hand side here is our library. It's also open pretty late at night as well. Okay. Over here is just more classroom buildings, the I departments. I do want to show this up here. We do have a very good arts program. So that includes mixed media as well as arts, painting, drawing, sketching, photography, ceramics as well. Yeah. So Hawaii has very nice weather. So in some ways we take advantage of it, which is why our campus is so open, right? So it has a lot of this openness feeling here, like over here. So this is just senior benches. Our 12th graders sit here. And we're going to head here to the new building, student center building, which was we were all much anticipated for this. So this was finished in January 2026, which is only last month. I'll show you the dining hall. So now we finally have an indoor dining hall. For a long time, the students were eating outdoors.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, students were eating outdoors, but now we finally have a dining hall. This is our chapel, by the way.
Okay.
So students do chapel service once a week by grade, and so each grade would do a chapel service of 20 minutes or so. So it's called the Arilaga Student Center. This is our dining hall. It can fit 1,100 people.
Okay.
But they usually have 4 menus you can choose from. Lunch is at 12:15, so we're still setting up, looks like. Yeah. Very nice space. And then we're going to go up so I can show you the view. I do want to show you our campus store.
Okay.
Just because it looks nice, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a university campus store. But here is our campus store. If you want to look, come in and look. So yeah, here is our campus store here. Very nice. Oh wow, it's cute. I should try that. So around back over there is where our 6th graders are now.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's quite nice for our new middle schoolers. The 6th graders get this new buildings. They're on this side of the building. Yeah, it's for our donors.
The important people.
Of course. Our very nice view here. Okay. So now we have this terrace area. It's quite popular for students. There's an indoor area to study and outdoor, of course. And then there's the view of Diamond Head.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can watch our baseball, soccer games here as well. Over here is our tea house,
Okay.
Japanese tea house. It's supposed to give them meditation and mindfulness. It's supposed to be an area for them to relax. Over here is just more open space for our students to use.
Wow.
Yeah, it's quite nice. Our students are very much enjoying this building. And it's like good level, so you can see a lot of things. So our students are very lucky. The 6th graders area. So the 6th graders moved out of lower school and then now they're here.
Okay.
So because it makes sense, because for us, they do 6th grader and then when they come 7th grade, they're in upper school. So they're like our transition period. So everything past this is lower school. I do want to show you our art building here, because I think it's important to highlight that, yes, we're a very academic school. We also have students who are more artistic, right?
Okay.
We're not that academically focused, which is fine. So this whole building is our art building.
Okay.
Yeah. One of our most popular classes is our ceramics class right here. There's students in right
Okay.
now, but it's over here.
Okay.
And of course we have photography. We have our own in our classrooms. Hi. In our classrooms we do have, in our photography classroom we have our own black room, so
Okay.
people can develop their own photos.
This is the dormitory?
This is the dorm. Is it nice?
Very nice.
I know. People say it looks like a apartment or condo building.
It looks like.
This was built in 2018, so it's quite new. We have 4 floors for the students to live in, and the bottom floor here is kind of like the common living room space. This room over here with the white sign, that is our nursing for nursing office for our boarding school program students only. So they have their own nursing team, psychologists, their own academic counselor as well. We also have a team of 16 house parents to take care of the kids. So it's basically 4 house parents per floor.
Okay.
Boys and girls are separated by even and odd numbers. Boys are in the 2nd and 4th floor. Girls are on the 3rd and 5th floor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello. 이올라니 기숙사는 2018년에 완공된 최신 시설입니다. 기숙사에는 전 세계에서 온 학생들이 함께 생활하고 교사 출신의 사감 선생님들이 함께 상주하면서 학생들을 가까이에서 지도하고 관리합니다. 그래서 단순한 숙소라기보다는 가족 같은 공동체 분위기 속에서 생활할 수 있는 환경이라고 보시면 됩니다.
I do want to show you this map here so you can see where our boarding students are from. So right now we have 70 students. We get a lot from Asia. Our top 2 is China and Korea. I'm glad Korea is one of our top 2. Over here is the laundry room. It's kind of small-ish, so they do have to take turns, which is why they're color-coded. They can do laundry here for free, of course. They also send their laundry out, and that's free as well. And so I'll show, this is where their mail is. I'll show you a room, but these are separated by gender. Like this is the girls' elevator, this is the boys' elevator.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll go use the girls' elevator. Go ahead and turn left when you're ready. Guys, hello. Oh, so it looks like they're cleaning this floor. We have great staff who helps clean the floors every day, so they're well maintained. So this is a boys' floor.
Okay.
So they have a kitchenette, a study room, and just kind of common room space as well. There are 2 wings.
Okay.
That one's for 9th and 10th graders, and that one's for 11th and 12th.
Okay.
These buildings over here are where our dorm parents and a lot of people who work with the boarding program live. So we're very, very close.
Okay.
And there has been occasions where we can look into the window and see if they're asleep or not. So that has happened. Over here is their schedule.
Okay.
So you can have a basic schedule of, And of course, there's a chore chart where we ask them to do certain things for the floor. Yep. So there's 1 bathroom per floor, and it's kind of like a American university where they have a shared bathroom. So here are the toilets, and then over here are the shower stalls. They're quite big, actually, the shower stalls. Yeah. And it's quite clean because they clean every day, so it's very nice. It's very nicely kept. Our rooms are like this, where they're pods. Usually have 3 or 4 rooms, and then usually we have like a pod leader, so they make sure the space is clean. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so here is the bedroom.
Okay.
Just like, it's a model room, it's not a real room because students will be a little messier. So usually we have 2 students per room. They have their own temperature controller, and this whole thing is Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So some of our students, older students, do get singles. Like seniors, student leaders do get singles, but most of the time it's 2 people per room.
Okay.
Also, depending on like the room, the view is very different. So that room's view is so-so. Here's better views.
기숙사는 24시간 보안 시스템이 갖춰져 있어 안전하게 관리되고 있고, 식사는 유기농 식재료 위주의 건강한 식단으로 제공됩니다. 공부할 수 있는 학습 공간도 잘 마련되어 있고, 주말에는 하와이 자연을 경험할 수 있는 다양한 액티비티도 마련되어 있습니다.
Any questions so far?
Extra activities or what else do you look for?
Yeah, that's a great question. So like, it's not really about grades, even though good grades is like, you know, it is good. but it's more about like when we look at their academic record,
음.
it's more about like if we think they can keep up with here.
오케이.
So, you know, so it's not only about grades, it's also the testing, it's about the teacher's letter of recommendation, right?
Okay.
So it's, and, you know, because not every student is academically inclined, they're not really focused on academics. We just want to make sure when they come here, they're not going to suffer because Iolani academics is quite hard, to be honest. But what else we look for is we want someone who is resilient. So like if they're having a hard time, if they have any problems, we want them to be able to ask for help
오케이.
and tell us.
Okay.
We also want, because they're living in a dorm, someone who's commuting minded. So
Okay.
they must not only think about like, oh, if I come to Iolani, I can do this and this and this. We want them to also think about like, when I'm in Iolani, I also want to give Iolani this and this and this.
오케이.
Yeah, because it's true, like Iolani, we do give our students a lot of opportunities because we're about helping our students find their passion and making them well-rounded, but then we also want them to think about what they can give back.
Okay.
Yeah, so those are the things we look at.
하와이 최고의 명문 보딩스쿨 이올라니 스쿨은 우수한 교사진의 세심한 관심과 교육을 바탕으로 학생들이 학업과 자신의 재능에 온전히 집중할 수 있는 환경을 제공합니다. 매년 전 세계의 국제 학생들이 이곳에 문을 두드리고 있으며 졸업생의 80% 이상이 명문 대학교에 진학하고 있습니다. 이올라니에 대해서 더 궁금한 점이 있거나 미국 보딩스쿨 전반에 대해 알아보고 싶으시다면 댓글을 남겨주시거나 유학제국에 문의해주세요. 감사합니다.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you.
I'm
Thank you very
glad we
much.
went to visit.
So you don't have to do anything.
Should we wave?
No, it's a recording, so we don't have to do anything.
Okay.